Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. My name is Shantae with The Glam Kitchen, and I am back with a top tier new recipe. We are making pineapple ginger candied sweet potatoes. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into this recipe because y'all know it's about to go down. Start out by peeling 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. Cut them into thick slices. Make sure they're not thin. You're gonna boil a large, deep pot of water. We're gonna boil these potatoes for about 10 minutes. We're parboiling these. We're not boiling them to where they're fully cooked. As a reminder, a full list of ingredients and the full recipe instructions are available at the link in the description box. So my secret ingredient is pineapple juice and ginger in my candied sweet potatoes. It takes it to another level. Now we are going to drain these potatoes and set them aside. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. Let's get started on our little sauce. Melt a stick of unsalted butter, not margarine. Use real butter, booze. Add some brown sugar, white sugar, ground ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, and one of my favorite juices, pineapple juice. Give it a good stir until it's smooth. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes while stirring. When it's nice and thick, that's when you know it's done. Spray a large deep baking dish with non-stick spray. Add the sweet potatoes and then pour the sauce over the sweet potatoes. You're gonna bake this for 45 minutes on 375 degrees, and you want to baste it every about 15 minutes. As you can see, I'm just basting them here. Basically, basting is just pouring the pan sauces over whatever you're cooking. And y'all, look how good this looks already. I am basting for a final time. I have now taken them out the oven and I am basting them a final time. Look how good our final product looks, y'all. These pineapple ginger candied sweet potatoes are so good. People are definitely gonna want you to make this all the time. I am plating them here. Top tier dishes deserve top tier plates and bowls. Y'all know I love my little home goods bowls and plates. And there we have it. Top tier pineapple ginger candied sweet potatoes. Now for me, this is more of a holiday dish. I don't really make this a lot during the week, but you could definitely add it to your weekly menu if you have a taste to jazz up some sweet potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like the video and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.